Hey there, this is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and we're going to be talking about a new software extraordinaire called Prime. I'm in the members area of it now, and it's a bit more extensive than this, and we're going to come back and I'll show you the nuts and bolts of it here. To start off with, let's go over to my bonus page where we're going to have some additional information about it. Now, Prime launches November 2nd, 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So if you happen to see this before then, 11 a.m. Eastern Time is when you'll be able to go ahead and get your copy. Now, to get to this page where you'll be able to click on any of the red banners to go ahead and get your copy of it from YouTube, just go ahead and click the link below the video that says get my exclusive bonuses and Prime here, and click the link, and that'll bring you to this very page that we are on right now. And also, go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up and click the bell. Thank you much. All right. So, one-click multi-channel app drives free traffic in 26 seconds that makes us $51.77 an hour. It's created for beginners with no tech skills or experience. All right. Now, I have some bonuses that I want to briefly tell you about. Now, this launch ends on November 2nd, and so does guaranteed access to my bonuses. Don't want you to miss out on that, but when this countdown timer hits 0, the timer will disappear, and the bonuses are no longer guaranteed for you. Okay, and so let's get to it real quickly. Well, actually, before that, if you noticed at the top of this page here, there is an attention bar that stays there when you scroll, and it's talking about creating outstanding intro and outro videos. Now, if you watched my video here, you saw that I have an intro video at the beginning and also have it at the end. If you want to make your own outstanding intro and outro videos, there is a software that I recommend that you go ahead and pick up, and you can do that by clicking the red link here where it says get it here. Okay, so Prime, the videos, I put together an exclusive package to help support the Prime process here. So to start off with, bonus number 1 is called Nova. It's a Chrome extension that allows you to follow audiences on TikTok. Bonus number 2 is TweetX, an app makes $476 a day, and basically that's using Twitter. Bonus number 3 is YT Velocity, unlock the set and forget buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. Bonus number 4 is Cleopatra, a breakthrough app that finds and monetizes free traffic on an untapped source of 500 million buyers. And bonus number 5 is the Super Shakedown. These are inside secrets of the super affiliates with a series of master classes and case studies and additional training that will help you unlock the code and break through to start earning serious money online. And I'm sure that's what you want to do. So let's take a brief run through. In the members area, it looks kind of plain and everything, but there's a lot to it. You have your training tab. I'll click on that in a moment. Of course, you have your profile you set up. You can reset your password, contact information, upgrades if you don't get them from the beginning, social accounts, where you'll add your social accounts for that part of the software. So if we look down here at this bottom bar here, the home is where we are now, and as you see, we have your messenger marketing tools, you have your email marketing tools, you have your SMS marketing tools, you have your social media marketing tools, you have your push notification marketing tools, and you have your video marketing tools. And then also you have your live streaming marketing tools. And maybe I came over here a little bit quick, and to explain these here, let me go back over to my bonus page, and let's talk about Prime a little bit here. So what Prime is, it's a multi-channel marketing application for your business to grow. All-in-one media, automated sales management. Make it a win-win by saving time and talking to your customers on the channels that's right for them. So we've broken down the best 7 cross-channel marketing tools for 2021 to 2022 into the following categories. Well, we just saw messenger chatbot, email marketing, SMS marketing, social media marketing, push notification marketing, video marketing, and live streaming marketing. All right, and so Prime is a complete and comprehensive solution for your business. It can accomplish everything from encouraging people to your business to turning them into your long-time customers. Simply put, the application not only draws customers, but also retains them as satisfied and happy customers. The best part? Leverage 300 total traffic sources, unlimited visitors in 26 seconds or less. All right, and so let's go through these, and of course your training now. Let me tell you that when I first started making this video 2 days before the launch started, a lot of things were not complete yet as far as information, in the training and information in these tools down here. I think it has been updated a bit the following day, and so let's take a look here. So if you go to training, you'll have a pretty comprehensive training. It starts off talking about the dashboard, and I think this is for previous product as input, but it'll be the same format where you'll have multiple categories, on everything that you need to know, and of course a video explaining each. Okay, and so let's take a look. So if you go into messenger marketing tools here, look at all this. So you have your bot settings, your OT and post back manager, your messenger engagement, JSON API connector, user input flow and custom fields, WooCommerce, abandoned cart, post back manager, whitelisted domain, save templates, web form builder, email autoresponder, and a lot there. And so messenger marketing, email marketing, you have all your setup and information there. SMS marketing, same thing. Social media marketing tools. All right, you have all the information that you'll need here. Push notification marketing tools. This is something that's pretty cool. You just put in your title, your comment, URL, push send, and it goes. And I tested it. This is my test here that I did. Okay, and we'll go back. Video marketing tools, same thing, and your live streaming marketing tools. This helps you get set up. You create your campaign, you choose your schedule and everything. So everything is there, and it's pretty comprehensive, and so but yet full of valuable information, and it's set up real nicely so that there's not a lot of confusion between everything there. All right, and so what is this going to cost you today? All right, so $17. And there might be a pop-up for a discount. The sales page wasn't completed when I made this video, so there may be a discount coupon associated with it. But at worst, $17 for this 7-in-1, the world's first 7-in-1 multi-channel traffic app. And then we have a number of offers here also. So offer number 1 is the unlimited edition for $39. The limited edition of Prime has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. Upsell number 2 for $297 is the Done For You edition. In this upgrade, the team will aim to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. Upsell number 3 is Prime Automated Edition for $39. you'll be able to activate all of the automation tools with Prime. Upsell number 4, the Done For You Template Club for $39. You'll get 200 customizable video templates that you'll use with Prime. And upsell number 5 is the 50 done for click and go campaigns for $39. We'll give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that they copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. All right, and so as mentioned earlier, you can click any of the red banners, on this page to go ahead and pick up your copy. Satisfaction, guaranteed, money back guarantee. There is a demo video on my bonus page here, for this. So, come in and feel free to watch that. It's pretty comprehensive, and that is it. Be sure to go ahead and click your copy. This is sold through the Warrior Plus platform. So after you go through your secure checkout, you'll be taken to the Warrior Plus, where you will be able to access your purchase of Prime. And the blue link down here is where you will access all of the exclusive bonuses that I put together for you today. All right. That takes us to the end. Once again, let me ask that you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click the thumbs up and the bell. We're good to go. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this review video of Prime today. Hopefully it's been rewarding and enough information for you to go ahead and make a decision. So that's it for me. And as always, to your success.